Are we on the verge of a crypto revolution? Well, this seems to be a strong possibility according to Forbes.com, which I will include a link to this article down in the description below. Would love to get your thoughts on this. So we could see some of the leaders such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, several other cryptos really starting to make a strong rise given the circumstances. Before I dive into this further, if you are wanting to see more XRP news and you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I do also cover other cryptocurrencies as well, and would love to have you be a part of the community. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into the news. Starting off here, it says Bitcoin, along with other major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and XRP, have been rocked by the cataclysmic US fiscal situation this year that could be about to get a lot worse. Again, this is speculation. The Bitcoin price has struggled this year amid a growing U.S., quote, war on crypto, though a looming $17.7 trillion earthquake could be about to hit the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto market. Now, as the U.S. dollar teeters on the verge of, quote, collapse, Wall Street giants, including the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, have been given a tacit green light to revolutionize finance with Bitcoin and crypto. So Bitcoin's historical halving, that is something that's going to be happening next year. That is something that definitely is going to be on people's radar. As we move into that, we also have Bitcoin ETFs, of which we have right here. Check this out. The agency faces a final deadline to respond to ARK Invest and 21 Shares Spot Bitcoin ETF application by January 10th, 2024. This is just a couple months away, right? Less than 3 months away. Think about that. Less than 100 days, less than 90 days. Countdown timer is going. So two different spot Bitcoin ETF applications for final deadline right there. And BlackRock's application by March 15th next year. So the article, going back to that, it continues on saying on Friday, Reuters reported the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will not appeal a recent court ruling that found it was wrong to reject an application from crypto asset manager Grayscale to create a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF, citing an anonymous source. In August, a U.S. court ruled the SEC was wrong to reject Grayscale's proposed Bitcoin ETF. Finding the SEC's argument that the Bitcoin market can be manipulated is flawed because the agency has previously approved Bitcoin futures-based ETFs with fraud prevention measures. Quote, this lack of appeal from the SEC is undoubtedly a key moment for the crypto industry. And given the pressure the SEC has faced from the courts and the U.S. House Financial Services Committee, it is a question of when, not if, this approval gets the green light. Philippe Bacazzi, the chief executive of crypto market maker XBTO, said in emailed comments. So they have an update here. The Bitcoin price is shot higher along with gold, climbing as fears mount among traders that the war between Israel and Hamas could widen to other countries in the region, pushing investors towards so-called safe haven assets such as gold. The Bitcoin price has rallied almost 4% over the last 24 hours, breaking above $28,000 per Bitcoin before dropping back and pushing the wider crypto market higher, including Ethereum and XRP. Goes on, Bitcoin fell towards $26,500 last week, but a more intense sell-off was avoided. At the start of the new week, this ability of the crypto market not to collapse into an uncontrolled sell-off caused a surge of buyer interest. Alex Kuptiskev, FX Pro senior market analyst, wrote in an email note, as a result, the price quickly jumped to $28,000 in the region of last week's highs from above. Bitcoin was subjected to a sell-off on the rise to its 200-week average and 200-day average, but received new buyers on a dip to its 50-day average last week. Now all eyes are on the ability to develop gains on rallies above $28,000. Bitcoin seems to be sandwiched between two important moving averages. Our eyes are now on its momentum near those curves, and we're closely watching the behavior near $28,000. Alongside Grayscale, asset managers that look after a combined $17.7 trillion on behalf of clients such as BlackRock, Fidelity, and Invesco have filed for spot Bitcoin ETFs, with the SEC facing a deadline of early next year to approve or deny them. Quote, when this happens, it will open up new possibilities for a number of sovereign pension funds, IRAs, and 401k, as well as other institutions who, before this point, may not have had access to digital asset investment opportunities, Bekazi said. It's quite possible we will see this approval come through in the first quarter of next year, once the regulator completes their full assessment. From there, it's likely we'll see a number of other applications get approved in 2024, which will be a positive step forward for the institutional adoption of crypto. So something I want to point out to you guys as well with all of this is that for today, there was a huge surge in purchasing because of a rumor that one of the Bitcoin spot ETFs had been approved. And guess what? Later on, when that rumor we found out was not true, that it still is being reviewed, people ended up selling off. So strong gains from that. A lot of people are crediting the profit moves, or the price moves, I should say, for today to that incident. This does go on a little bit more here. It says earlier this year, BlackRock's legendary chief executive Larry Fink, who shocked the world when he announced a surprise crypto flip, said he expects Bitcoin and crypto to transcend traditional currencies, including the US dollar, thanks to Wall Street adoption. Quote, importantly, because it's so international, crypto is going to transcend any one currency in currency valuation, Fink said. Earlier, he said Bitcoin and crypto could revolutionize finance, and a dramatic reversal from his previous position of Bitcoin being nothing more than an index of money laundering, told CNBC. And there you go. So very interesting breakdown of the market here from Forbes.com. I gave you guys a couple other key things to look at, which is going to be January 10th, 2024, March 15th of 2024 as well. That's right before my birthday, by the way. How good of a birthday present would that be to have that be approved? Would not be good if it got not approved, right? But technically it's not on my birthday, so I guess, anyway, getting sidetracked. That's what I got for you guys in this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And again, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you guys be a part of the community and keep making more videos for you. I've been doing this for a while now, and I have my own community as well. You can come join that in Telegram at Team Crypto Atlas. You can find the link down in the description below. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.